doesn't do it justice. Like, this thing is so much taller in real life. Like, I'm looking straight up right now. That's just a straight 90 degrees up, 90 degrees down.
Kingda Ka was officially introduced on September the 29th, 2004, at an event held for the media and enthusiasts. It was revealed that the ride would become the tallest and fastest roller coaster on Earth, reaching 456 feet and accelerating from 0 to 128 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. On January 13, 2005, Kingda Ka was topped off at its 456-foot height, finishing construction. Of summer 2010, one of the park's male tigers is named after the ride, and is named after the 500 pounds, 230 kilograms, golden tabby Bengal tiger that lives in a pen next to the ride, making this ride #1 on our list at Chronic Edge TV. Formula Rossa is an intermin Ferrari world in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Formula Rossa is the fastest roller coaster in the world at 149.1 miles per hour. The amount of friction, trim brakes were added to the first hill in order to reduce the overall speed of the ride. During construction, the roller coaster was marketed as emulating the thrilling sensation of being in a Ferrari F1 car. The ride features a world 61 degrees, just half a degree more than Green Lantern Coaster at Warner Bros. Movie World.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god!
The second half of the ride begins with a vertical lift hill and a beyond vertical drop train 6 cars. Riders are arranged 4 across in 2 rows for a total of 8 riders per car. Takabisha begins with an enclosed section that includes the barrel roll and the launch track. In 2019, this record will be succeeded by a near clone of Takabisha being constructed at Nickelodeon Universe Theme Park in New Jersey, which will have a drop that is half a degree steeper than Takabisha's.
Oh my god! I want repeat ride! I can have more?
coaster located at Alton Towers, opened in May 2013. The ride is manufactured by Gerstlauer and is an infinity coaster roller coaster. Due to teething problems, the coaster did not open on the planned date of May the 23rd. The ride opened on May the 31st, 2013. The Smiler is an infinity coaster, manufactured by Gerstlauer. It has 2 lift hills and 14 inversions. Trains with 4 cars per train. In each car, riders are arranged 4 across in a single row for a total of 16 riders per train. Steel drag roller coaster located at Nagashima Spaland in Nagashima, Kuwana, Japan. Opened on August 1, 2000, it became the tallest and fastest full-circuit roller coaster in the world, surpassing Millennium Force at Cedar Point, which opened 3 months earlier. It also surpassed Rossa at Expoland as the longest roller coaster. The records for tallest and fastest full-circuit roller coaster were subsequently lost to Top Thrill Dragster and Dodinpu respectively, but Steel Dragon 2000 remains the longest. It is the largest roller coaster built by Morgan. After the lift hill is an initial drop of 306.8 feet and a 252-foot camelback hill. The train subsequently rises up and into the figure-8-shaped helix. The train then passes through a mid-course brake run and over 6 more camelback hills, passing through 2 tunnels along the way before reaching the final brakes. Steel Dragon 2000 was the tallest roller coaster to use the traditional lift hill before the opening of Fury 325 in 2015. Because of its length, 2 chains are used. In the middle of the lift hill, the ride switches chains.